PCOS is a genetic hormone disorder which is present from birth and usually manifests at the time of puberty. It is characterized by the presence of excessive male hormone androgens in the female body. This leads to irregularity in the menstrual cycle, ovulation defects, excessive hair growth on the skin, face, acne, hair loss, and insulin resistance, which is characterized by increase in sugar levels in the body. Women with PCOS usually find it very difficult to conceive due to irregular menstrual cycle, failure of growth of eggs, and ovulation. If a woman is obese or have excessive weight, this may further increase the severity of the symptoms. For a woman of PCOS to conceive, it is absolutely essential for the woman to maintain a healthy lifestyle. They should be fit, they should exercise daily and maintain an ideal body weight according to their height. Such exercises and limitation of body weight helps the hormones to normalize. The imbalances between the hormones is regularized, and this leads to normal ovulation in such women. They should cut down on any form of carbohydrates and sugars and take high protein diet. Any form of exercise, whether it is yoga or aerobics or strength training, helps. Any form of weight loss in terms of 5% of the body weight also helps women to have a normal ovulation and conceive successfully. In case the woman is not able to conceive naturally with these lifestyle modifications, they should contact their healthcare providers. The healthcare providers may provide them with ovulation induction medication in form of certain oral tablets and injections. If in spite of use of these oral ovulation induction medications and injections, if a woman fails to conceive, then for such women it is advised to either go through an IVF or laparoscopic ovarian drilling procedure. IVF is a very good way for a woman to conceive and have a healthy pregnancy, especially if they are suffering from PCOS.